The HOVERAir X1 PRO Drone is an exceptional tool for capturing stunning cinematic footage in ultra-clear 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, perfect for adventurers and creators alike. Equipped with SmoothCapture 2.0, this drone utilizes a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization to ensure your shots remain steady and visually impactful. With its hands-free operation, you can easily launch the drone from your hand using a simple click or voice command, allowing you to focus entirely on your adventure. Thanks to its OmniTerrain capability, the HOVERAir X1 Pro can fly over various terrains including snow, water, and cliffs, ensuring you never miss a moment of your journey. The drone's aerodynamic design allows it to achieve follow speeds up to 42 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for capturing high-speed cycling and skiing activities. Safety is prioritized with advanced rear active collision detection, which helps prevent accidents by braking before collisions at speeds up to 1.5 meters per second.